Hello everyone. In this video, I will show my new recent project case study. So I am a Ripon Islam. I am a founder and CEO at Ripon Digital. So this is my website. I will show my recent case study. So first of all, I will share my this project. Basically, this $2,000 project in one my Fiverr account. So this project only two milestone like this design part, design and development part. So first of all, I will share this UI UX design part. So this originally this design part. Finally, this home page almost 24 page. This website, this basically this big website and almost three different functionality. I will show this functionality second part go to the development. So first of all, like this design part, home page, service area and service staff area and this child area, like this almost UI UX Figma design part. Basically this design my another team member. So I will show this full design first of all. So then another page like this service page of 12 service page, like this full service search engine, S SEM, paid marketing, marketing automation, and almost local optimization and reputation management, like this all service. And show another page, this first, just to wait, this another page almost like this design part. Okay, so now go to second step, this development part. So first of all, I will show this website. So this website I already delivered this website and client accept and give me a good feedback and tips. So this website fully development using a WordPress CMS and using a most popular page builder Elementor. This project basically Figma to WordPress. Okay, so this case study like this cool hover effect, and anyone click this future case study, so go to this case study page and like this, and this new functionality like this mega menu. This basically very cool and nice design, this mega menu, like there's search engine, this service, and web design and development service, social media service, email marketing service, digital advertisement service, like this very cool mega menu. Like this service area, this service area, anyone click this service area, and like this city, this service, this company name, and this countdown system, and like this. And show now check this about page, about a page. So this about us page, like this, and this team member hover effect, this very cool hover effect using no another plugin. I will use this like team member cool hover effect using custom custom CSS code. Okay, so that's great. And like this hover video, this very nice. Okay, so this, and now check this other phase like case study. So this case study phase and this tab system, like this branding, PPC marketing, SEO, web design, and anyone click this case study, like this click and open this full case study single page like client, service, industry, and website. So this is basically demo content because client not sends this content. Okay, I will use this like a demo image and demo content and build this whole website, but client still not sends any content. Okay, and this footer section and almost this system. So now go to the WordPress backend and check this like this theme plugin and another functionality. Okay, so this my WordPress dashboard. So I am use this forum, like this contact forum, use this gravity form because client like this gravity form, then that's why I use this gravity form. Okay, so this website whole form create using gravity form. Okay, first of all, this dashboard client use uh, mm, Elementor hosting. Okay, so this my website dashboard. So first of all, I will check this page, like this page, almost 22 two page, like this service main service page, and like this secondary service uh, second page. Okay, then another page like this about page, about their child page, like this non-profit history, our history team, and another's. So now back to the jump to the this functionality. I will create these three custom post type: one, case study; number two, service area; and number three, career. This basically cool option client demand, like this case study and like this case study and service area and career. So first of all, I will use this jet engine plugin because I am creating three type of custom post type and another functionality. That's why I will use Elementor and Crocoblock. This is the most important plugin. Create your many more functionality in your website. So that's why I will use this Crocoblock, and I will use license key. I will provide the client full lifetime license key. That's why you show this license key. I will share this license key for lifetime license key. So that's why anyone need this license key for CrocoBlock lifetime. So please contact me, link in this video description box. Okay, so then check this functionality like this. I am use jet engine and custom post type. So create this post type. So now open this custom post type, this case study custom post type, service and career. So and I am use this meta box custom taxonomy, like click taxonomy. So okay, case study category and stay category. Basically I will use this two category because I will separate and query builder using this query system using. That's why I will use this category, like this case study categories different, like this brand, marketing, PPC, SEO and web design. And then career part is most important. Client you will show this new journey or new employee hire this system, like this I will senior devs engineer. So this basically all demo content, like this information, job description, qualification, and another add. Anyone click this apply button and open this form. Okay, and then I will show this main case study page, like career. I will show this career page like this system, and anyone open this new job post and show like this style. Okay, and this website fully responsive, fully mobile responsive, not a tablet. This website only three device responsive, like desktop, tablet and mobile. So I will then check this website mobile responsive. So I am using this responsive viewer. This basically Chrome extension. Anyone need this extension, search on Google uh, responsive viewer. So now check this responsive. So first of all, this website very nicely is responsive all device, like this menu button, this very cool effect and menu, like this, and almost done, like this responsive any device, all device fully mobile responsive, no issue. Okay, so now check this website. I will use many more custom code. So first of all, now check this custom code. So I will use the Elementor Pro version. So that's why I will use this custom code option. So this website using Elementor and Crocoblock, I will let you show like this all flagging name, but you will need any Elementor Pro version. So link in this video description, just click and buy Elementor Pro version. So okay, so that's this basically I am use this five custom code, like this site mega menu, like this I am use this shortcut, like this icon, like this icon. this icon use this mega menu. That's why I use this code image carousel and header menu show and case media and jet hamburger. This basically I will show use this code and this menu. Okay, so now show this what is plugin use this whole project. So I am go to this plugin and install plugin and open this. I am almost using one this plugin, this install this plugin install basically client. I'm not install this plugin and paste duplicator elementor pro essential add-on. This plugin I am used only for one widget like this. Basically I am use this customize this gravity form. That's why I am use this essential add-on one widget gravity from customization, like this gravity from active mail shift. For the j2 builder jet blocks, this basically help me building this hamburger and menu, and then jet smart filter, and then a light speed cache and us map. This us map is very interesting. So I am already create this us map video, but now I am show this us map. So I'm click this service area location like this us map. This plugin use this create this us map plugin. So in this plugin link in this video description, but I am use this pro version. This create this option. Okay, so and I am use this theme only hello elementor, because this website full project elementor figma to elementor. That's why I will most popular theme hello elementor. This basically only some system provide, and this website super speed because I am not any essential another plugin and another highlight theme, because I am low light theme use this system. So I hope in this case study video almost done. So thank you so much. So they